In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a media section on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial perfect for beginners. Getting started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to WordPress.com and log into your account. If you're unfamiliar with the process, just search for WordPress.com login in your preferred search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you've landed on the login page, enter your credentials and sign in. After logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing your site, and you'll find it's brimming with options and features. Here, you'll want to locate the media option in the sidebar on the left-hand side. It's nestled there among other key features like posts, pages, and appearance. Click on Media. This section is where all your media files like images, videos, and audios are stored, offering a central repository that can be accessed at any time. Now, if you wish to add a new media file, click on Add New. This will open a new screen that allows you to upload files directly from your computer, which is incredibly simple and user-friendly. You'll see a button labeled Select Files. Clicking this button will open up your computer's file explorer. Here, select the file or files you want to upload. This is a straightforward process, just like attaching a document to an email or uploading a photo to social media. Once you've selected your files, they'll automatically begin uploading to WordPress. You'll notice that the progress of each file is displayed, ensuring you can keep an eye on everything as it uploads. Remember, you can upload multiple files at once. There's no need to add them individually, saving you time and effort. After the upload completes, your files will be listed in the media library. You can easily find them whenever you need to insert an image or video into a post or page. There is also a copy URL to clipboard option available, which is particularly handy. It allows you to quickly copy the direct link of the uploaded media file, enabling easy sharing or embedding elsewhere on your site or outside it. And there you have it, a newly added media section in WordPress. This feature is not just a means to store media files, but also a powerful tool to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your website. By following these steps, you've not only organized your media better, but also unlocked the potential for more engaging content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel more confident managing your media in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.